Hello everyone, welcome back to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest updates across South Sudan and beyond. First, we begin with a call for unity and reconciliation from the South Sudan Council of Church. Justin Badi Arama, the council chairperson, appealed to the government of South Sudan under President Salva Kiir Mayardit this week to release political detainees ahead of the Christmas and New Year celebration. The goal is to build confidence and ease tension in a time of heightened uncertainty. Before we move on, please help the channel by subscribing, turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video, you can be notified. South Sudan is in the midst of difficult moment right now. The country is facing economic hardship, violence, and a deepening trust deficit in its political leadership. Badi pointed out that while the festive season brings a message of peace and renewal for many ordinary South Sudanese, it is a reminder of ongoing struggles. At the heart of the appeal is a call for political inclusivity. The government recently made amendment to the 2018 peace agreement, which they believe will help pave the way for the 2026 elections. However, not everyone agrees with these changes. Dr. Riek Machar, the first vice president group, the main opposition in the country, claimed they were excluded from the process, raising concern over the future of the peace effort. Badi speak at a press conference in Juba, urging political leaders to abandon war and pursue honest dialogue. There is no victory in war, he said, urging for the release of all political prisoners to demonstrate a commitment to true reconciliation. With the government still holding several key political figures like first Vice President Dr. Riek Machar, Benjamin Bolmel, and Akol Kor, the church body is asking for a new page to be opened in the country political dialogue. This, they believe, is essential for restoring peace and unity in South Sudan. Now to a troubling story from Yambio in western Equatorial State, where a woman was robbed at gunpoint inside her own home. The robbery occurred last Saturday night when 4 armed men broke into a residence in the Akrok Body residential area around 4 kilometers from Yambio town. The woman, who is a member of a local church group and a farmer, had been keeping church contribution at her home. While the exact amount of money is not known, authorities confirmed that 2 mobile phones were also stolen. Thankfully, no one was injured in the robbery, but the incident has left the community shaken. Local community leaders have called on residents to report gun-related crime and robberies to the authorities in order to help curb the rising insecurity in the area. This robbery, they believe, is part of a growing trend, especially as people might be carrying more money during the Christmas season. While this attack has sparked outrage, it also serves as a stark reminder of the rising insecurity across part of the South Sudan. We hope that the security force will increase patrol and provide stronger protection during this vulnerable time. Let's move on to our third top story. Vice President Ega speaks on declining morality in South Sudan. In a recent speech, Vice President Dr. James Waniga expressed grave concern about the moral decay he believes is taking place in South Sudan. Speaking at the National Prayer Breakfast on December 2025, he compared the state of morality in the country to the biblical cities of Sodom and Gomorrah, which were destroyed for their immorality. Dr. Waniga lamented the widespread violence and crime, particularly among the youth. Dr. Ega stated that traditional moral values once held dearly by the people of South Sudan are now almost forgotten. He emphasized the need of the need for South Sudanese to return to this principle and restore ethical values, especially within political leadership. Dr. Waniga called for collective responsibility to address the moral crisis, urging all citizens to work together for a better, more peaceful future as South Sudan prepare for the upcoming general election in December 2026. Vice President Dr. Riek stressed the importance of maintaining ethical standards in both governance and society. Let's move on to our fourth top story, diplomatic reaction to the killing of UN staff member in WOW. Moving on to international concern, several foreign missions in South Sudan have called on the government to hold those responsible for the killing of a United Nations staff member in WOW, Western Barghazal State. The victim, Bull Roch Mayol Cole, was serving as a language assistant with the United Nations mission in South Sudan, or UNMISS. The tragic incident occurred on December 15, 2025, when Mr. Cole was killed in WOW town. In response, the South Sudan government condemned the attack and pledged to hold those accountable. Foreign embassies, including those of Canada, Germany, Japan, and the United States, have also issued a statement condemning the killing and calling for justice. UNMISS staff members and their families are now left seeking justice, while the diplomatic community continues to press for the South Sudan government to ensure accountability in this case. Let's move on to Nasser incident case adjourned. Please help the channel by subscribing if you are new to Changfied YouTube channel, and do not forget to hit the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video you can be notified. Finally, a quick update on the ongoing trial involving Dr. Riek Machar, the suspended first Vice President of South Sudan and his accused official. The special court hearing on the Nasser incident, which involves serious charges, has been adjourned to January 5, 2026. This case has drawn significant attention as it could have wide-reaching implications for South Sudan's political future. The court session delay only add to the uncertainty surrounding the case. We will continue to monitor the development in this case and bring you updates as they unfold. That is wrap up today's news from South Sudan. It is clear that while the country faces many challenges, there are also calls for hope, unity, and the restoration of peace as we approach the festive season. We urge everyone to remember the importance of kindness, dialogue, and support for one another. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to stay updated on all of our reports. Stay safe, and we will see you next time. Biakamal Changfied YouTube channel kajan gwasme baran palapin kaliang rointen kon lat karodian. Kan kono niam mi jira mi jidit gwasme Changfied YouTube channel shangan yam kaje gorono jendere subscribe kade notification bell dere je twain komite ga michi bray gwasme da shomala shube kaje. Bana je tok leran yam andana de kono ling ka kwileran content lat karodian. Leran yam bana ling gwasme chala do ne jidwel kot ke jelwa kot chicken jow chicken jack ka Queen Anton content cha yen ki political detainees rai which ka juba shinetin content ji lo ko chi ka shoot ka Queen mat ka kana lo shimara kam Anton content la kwar ki siasin rai wika South Sudan lo ko de chalka South Sudan Council of Church un mishala Justin Badi Arama akwar jen council chairperson jen charach ka kuma ka tieja ka coordinating content chayen to la political detainees de kalon akan Christmas akan even kan a new year ki ron jidito na tana kan celebration yan kan lat agenda ne de ka paleka de kalon ka dia do bdana lat kan je de na de kan tikamal ka ko de tin dia content gam tin jakka Sudan ko betereri ka de ka shu kap yakki de ka chupal ai kono no South Sudan kajan gwasme take a difficult moment agwami mote siyaza teten to korteketin kashinetin kon la kwarki leader charodian ngat ngai kono no South Sudan chuje ka economic hardship kajan violence la kor kono talk kan tel ngas ka manan lerode kam kware ki political leadership shude chale badi mala kwel wa kosen gwas mo che tieje no ne kan Christmas kan ben ki festive season kan je new year jene to ba jo mala ko de netin kontin la kwar de kalun shit kame da ne shagor ke 2018 no de mal de jatan ki de na de kaletkel netin kontin la de no de lon kan Christmas kan ne ben kan new year kan ne ben charach ka kwi first by president Dr. Machar Durgon acha jomo cha jalat no gorjeno de jelun ki darbara retijen nyogbo jen cha nyog right bo katin kontin lade take a kwarko kente cha mention the dong de kamrar retijen chit ka do badana gorjeno de ne diala kontin retijen de brar charach ka kwi Benjamin Bolmel eno de jelun kana akol kor kuch kane de ka delun chinetin konde la jilwa ko chikiti kana kan en oneti te la political leader tin chayen akalwen ka kandial ko bi mal bokul ben jenen do be me jen do badana ba mal ba je loch tin ka je ke ba mal ba je restore nyokra wi ka South Sudan kumu kan shinardin ngat cha kwar sha kalun nyo de jenore wi ka South Sudan bi mal betel ke bi mal be jen a cha je be jek lehra meda jen lehra nyam wana ka lehra do gwas me men cha kwen chala do ne take a check mi cha mai kayo ko na cha kan ka je awa ka church fund ti cha kwal ka je gwa mi cha ja ka maitin dore ka wer dara shal ka Yambio ka Western Equatorial State cha jo cha jalat wa take a check mi cha yo cha ka kwal ka je ka yo to awa ka yo jilwa kos jen shi ne dang wan ti jel ka mech ka wer ka jen Saturday pai we ka wadar dara shal ka akorok body ka residential area mo shine to shi ga chuptin wajen te ka kilometer dang wan ka Yambio town la reg Yambio wan gwasmo chinetin kontila chure ban ka war wa shu kan wore duel ka kap kana mach shu kan talpon dang ro ka yot kan pegdian kan lat yot ngwantila yo lwa kosko church funding wa church funding ke yot ko la yo lwa ko la ka to re duare chala de non wena mo shi shure to chikan yo ton chikan kanang men teslo in ask je gwas me chala do ne an shek te le Riek mishalet ke je khana duch ke khana mo krek te bon mi je yo ka kana mo bale ke dial sha kanang do badan lar ke je no nang ka yo ka je 118 ko la shure ke jen gwas me mo na ka Christmas ngai kana gwanu la ne dial ke ne te ke yo to ba ko be ni kana goro no enemy tino bi kanang ko custom ni jen rewi ka South Sudan no ka Christmas time na ko ke bi into go ka ba to go ba re ka chet ka kwanta to wa ken kon we ne to ken ge ka nas u ken kwa ken ko na kwal ge cha kula do ne mi chi to go der we ken ideal content rewi ka South Sudan no ke jen Christmas me in ideal de go de re ka gangdien ko chitere yeng model to karan wana meni baje dil ngach an wode ne dialde ko rien gang chet ke mi to ka shega me ya yo lo ko site ke je cha ka nang ka cha nang tal polan dang raw ka chi chuer cha ren bar yo ne diala no ane real ru dun ka jo cha la da wa chi ku me chicken security chicken provide ko banetin kontin dong de shega mo de kan kwa de kan kanang ba ka gore kan anyok chicken ma si chicken jagono ne ane diala ka tiet karodian ko shinas bia jel ka work ken o mi dong te kreng mi chito ki mi te mi shinen ka wera mo ki en gwada shi chori ne tana wade ja report ko ba ko ngaje ndo ti chori en gwada bu kumba shuwa ka bana ba ka gang wane ka laren jodian ken kono nyam please gorno jin bi subscribe ka bi notification bell bi je twain ko mi te ka laren mi ci bray gwasme ba chama la shup ji take a ler mi chalat gwase me la vice president ke kur and rode de kolar no vice president ega ke wanega jen charwach ka ta da na che South Sudan che dop che je bai ka je che chiange wal chiange te ka South Sudan mulus na rodien wa cha je ban pin charwach ke kwide vice president Dr. James wanega che raje long ka ta da na cha chiange gwaye wale te na rawi ka South Sudan che ke ngwane che kana ban pin no charach gwasi dane chi kirmiyadit che national prayer breakfast ki ta jana chol ke jen obna mis gwaskel ka chenga jandang ro ka pai wero rankin dang ro jandang ro dish gwasi dane chana cholten ano bnawo ta kamal ki kamat ko de nalu marka ne dia chi gwasa mo sha wani ga sha jamo ka banko be joro be jeto shi wani ga gwasi me la vice president che so ran che par ke kaman cha gore bible ka la te correct cha la bible ka correct to shi ge ga long en South Sudan cha par ke so dom kana gomora gwase dane chi chang je chang lera she so dom kana gomora she jadak jen ta dane che South Sudan che chat ke je jen South Sudan che ka so dom kana gomora ko shin ngani dial shala meng leti jek ke liu na ne chang gwan mi mo cha tradition chang tena ka jen wal cha je pele ngani ka nyok bane wachi chiang lerem di che tere wech ke chiang nang nat mai naro den kamken ke terami mo munong mal me kwarbo shika brand bon shika la goro te mal mede ben den ta danen chi waniga she South Sudan che par ke jen South Sudan she de ke gomora kene Sodom ko cha ethical values cha je ban pin ku ne dial tie je kare wi ke South Sudan no ne de ne dial ta shianga medan e shianga South Sudanese de kan nyoka mulu kan e jokos entire dan e chi me South Sudan me lot kaje yang dungran chi de kan changaran chi de let kam je chiran chi de nak gwate wal wa jen lot ka shianga ne jen tam che je jen ti ne dial no ne de ne dial de ko lunjok ke ma dien kel ka luk dien ka shiang me je mu South Sudan image be je yar chit ka jodan chalat che shud ban wo de ne dial kon la kwar de kan ta dan de nawo ke je ka queen quarry ki election an balat ke changa jandang ro ka pai wero ronkin daro jandang ro bakel do dan de nawo ke je telerik de lat ka queen mal ka kan queen mat ka ai wi ka South Sudan e jen gor ne dialo de ka rodien commit ko de na mo de jalat general take responsibility meder lat ai wi ka South Sudan mediala do ko de no ki de nyona wana kalera do dien wasamene gwazame chinetin kontila diplomatic rewika South Sudan shiken Riek long ki shiken nger ki shika gaj kata dana sharan dien chajen nek ale United Nations staff member rewika wow dio je chikondial ne me chana jelinko gwase dana no take ran UN millet michanek rewishin binami kajen gwasmenta mala international community shiken lada no ne keni ta sha na grandi na keni just lo dien along United Nations staff members neten kon tin la lat ki lokana wi ka South Sudan shit ke neten kon tin la lo ka tup ke keni ti lo dien che jia da long ka do badan en shawun mishal ka bol roch ma yol cha jenak wi ka wow jen bol roch wa rami mo la luch la tuk la ja loje ke language assistant ka United Nations mission in South Sudan ke UNMIS jen chajen na ka chang wal dish ka pai wero ronkin dangro jen dangro dish wa kol na ka je ka waw re ka waw an wena mo cha South Sudan government cha te jen odi Ramadan en nak kol de yen gor na me wa re yangon ten yen arurin ka wi mon kelio wa dwer mi dire long ka shi dwer metot ka joran chikanat gwaseme wa rami mo mela led ka UN kiran unimis ano ba yida ba je bat ke ba je de ten ko jen chala do chanang reti jen we liu reti jen ke liu reti jen awana me mi je ka long wa unlawful ko de ran de kan ji unimis de karan de kanak no ke de ram let ka unimis de jen ke ran United Nation cha jo me cha je lat eken gone no ba ne dialen kon ki Ramadan en naka ba je dil kaf ko ngotin kon tila yen kana ka ko terem bradien mu gor ko no biben a chajo mo chajalat ti lo jen che jadalon ka do bran chi to wana ka rege chi to ka Nasser an wale ka changa jandang ro di ro ka pai wero ron kin dang ro jandang ro di dich ya jojo gwa enu sha Dr. Machar kenene ka dang baro cha ga nyok man nan ka ke cha nan gwalo men chi to gan wale sha luk cha je tok first by President Dr. Machar the first by President ka South Sudan kelio kana ne ka dang barotin content cha ka gwen kel ka cha charge ka tai dan che ke to ja nasser gwa se da nation wa army kana SSPDF sigin ka cha wi yara du cha ja dak an gwas moni chwala no chi de ni ku dang ro jan dang de chik lutin ka chwane tin kont la gat nuari man kana dong ano chwa ka buk kerenyal ke ka chwa en se diare chemical weapon chwa ja use kir me yadit ko chole de ni ka te kon te chi nyin kan nuar yami na mo chwala ring mi dire longa gwase dan me chikir mi yadi cha gar cha kana gar tiene te turun kende kitin mantam just wan mi dilonga me chitok en na mo cha jojo gwano cha Dr. Machar cha jabel kir mi yadi de no ngumi jakin norway army ko bikin ke SSPDF katika ngaten jen do badana yan ka Dr. Machar ka jo cha kula den walle ka jen chan dang ri de ro ka pai wero ron kin dang ro jen dang ro de diech mi shena nyo ko we yo re lok ka ram de dien man la witness kinen wa cha je te cha min chal ka cross examination cha je te but kan ruani tu wan long kan kenen nung man chalat gwa sa me chala do mi cha luk cha je to ko ke chi luk cha wo nyam chi ramadan en la judge kine de kontel la je lok wa chi kan luk chi kan nyok makap kan jok luk mo cha ja kap ka changa diech ka paikel ron kina dang ro di dang ro bakel changa diech ka paikel ron kin dang ro dang ro bakel jen changa dana ba luk bay nyok mu waja gor kaje an walle cha ja gok en obnaw jek ne ka changa diech ka paikel ron kin dang ro bakel jen changa dana ba luk bay nyo gor kaje rai which ka South Sudan ka qui first by President Dr. Machar ne tung wan tina sanu ngumi jain ka je no te tung wan ta gai kana kene konte la jillo gang kan first by President kan jigwar gang kan jo ka tele evidence ti nyu da gwanu de je yen ka je ki lar ka je na tene na ka jen win na rodian ki wil na den gwaskel china mal kai ka do budan en de luga me de jitu ka je kon Dr. Machar aram kel kan content barin chung koron kin dangraw idjan dangraw de bakel so na mungod bana dio je kon di altega ngech en go en look mi look mishal ke kangaro court ki look misha tok cha je leslet chit ko mandana ngech kone so jo me mi shalat kade konte ka lengten ano ka changa desh ka paikel ron kin dangraw idjan dangraw de dich jen changa dan en bana look and Rodian Banjo Lingaja, key first by President Dr. Machar. Guaya and Biatakamal, Banajik, Ka Ler Rodian Shujapo Jin, Changfied YouTube channel. Be just subscribe, keep just support, can be notification bell, be share, can be comment, and Biatakamal. Bye bye.